So you need replacement windows, but it's winter. And you're not sure if you should wait until spring. Here's why winter is still a good time to replace windows. To avoid heat loss, we only install one window at a time. Zen Windows will utilize drop cloths inside to protect your interior from snow or mud. In most cases, the old window is out only for a few minutes. We close interior doors to contain any cold that does get in. You may ask, is it worth it? Here are more reasons why now is a better time than ever. It is winter. Get the benefits of new windows right away. Get faster order to install times. Many people find it easier to schedule an installation day in the winter. And the very best reason for a winter window project? There are better things to do on a pleasant spring day. Call or email us today or visit us at zenwindowsstl.com. Windows out, windows in. It's that simple.